The 2024 Infiniti Q50's dashboard warning indicator lights alert drivers to various vehicle conditions, including system statuses and potential issues. If we talk about its interior, the dashboard offers sleek design and advanced user-friendly technology. The touchscreen display provides interactive controls, while the instrument cluster shows key vehicle information. Climate control system provides dual-zone comfort, maintaining ideal temperatures for both the driver and passengers. The steering wheel controls the direction of the vehicle by turning the front wheels. The engine powers the vehicle by converting fuel into mechanical energy. The gear handle design with smooth shifting, integrated controls, and enhanced durability for precise gear selection. Meters and gauges. Cluster indicators. Charge warning light, brake warning light, master warning light, seatbelt warning light, front fog indicator light, supplemental airbag warning light, slip indicator light, anti-lock brake system light, low tire pressure warning light, turn signal and hazard warning light, side light and headlight indicator light, high beam indicator, security indicator light, vehicle dynamic control off indicator light, front passenger airbag, forward emergency braking, power steering warning light, malfunction indicator light, eco drive indicator light, low fuel warning light. Safety precautions, know your symbols, immediate attention. Don't ignore a flashing symbol. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use an OBD2 scanner for diagnostics. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.